This hair is gorgeous.
Hey beauties, so can we please get into this no leave out, no glue, no spray, no nothing. This hair is gorgeous and we're going to get into these details right now. This wig is from ILIKEHAIRWig.com and this is their I-part curly wig. So you guys, this I-part, I'm telling you, like, you do not need a leave out. Of course, you can use a leave out if you want to. But this wig is designed for you not to have a leave out. And I'm going to show you guys how to get to that point because we're going to be able to get to that point. My method for installing my I parts, my V parts, my U parts is the simplest method possible. If you have a hair length that is easy to pull down into a low bun, this can honestly be your quickest method to install. You can even add in a leave-in conditioner to make sure your hair is getting good and juicy and moisturized as this wig is on. But today I'm just going to be doing my simple method with 2 anchor braids that will help serve as not only stability for this wig, but it makes my part. But before we do that, I'm going to prep this wig. You guys, prepping curly hair before you put it on your head will save you so much time when it comes to your install. Here, I'm just spraying some water on these curls to get them ready to be activated. You can also use mousse instead of water if you would like for the hair to dry a little quicker. Just use your curling mousse, some type of foam wrap type of product. Y'all, this mannequin head and this wig stand has been one of the best investments I've done. I probably spent under $50 for the wig head and the stand, and it's been a lifesaver. To activate these curls even more, I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I just rake that through with my fingers first before I use my Denman brush. So you guys, using your fingers to finger detangle your curly hair will be a great way to save time and to help activate these curls with less shedding. The more you brush, the more shedding. All right, finger detangling is a great way to minimize that from happening. Look at these beautiful juicy curls. Oh my god, y'all, these curls were so juicy, and I honestly didn't even define them from root to tip all the way. I just really wanted those ends to be really defined, and this is what we got. Now back to my hair. Once I pull my hair down into a low bun, I do go in and just part out a minimum piece of sectioned hair. And this is what I'm going to be using to braid down to have my ankle braids. So if you cannot braid, you can do a flat twist. You can do a plait and pull your plait to the side and just bring it along your bun. If your hair is not long enough for a bun, you can still do a plait, braid, or flat twist and mold your hair down. Either way, this method is just to help me have something to anchor the wig onto so it's not slipping. Sometimes when you do not have an anchor braid, your wig can feel like it's slipping. And this is that type of install where I want to make sure it's secure because I do want it to have like that realistic look without it slipping out. I always apply my wig from the back, and I start off by clipping in one side of the wig, getting it adjusted to my likeness, and then I move to the other side. So you guys, sometimes these wigs don't look as realistic because you have to actually take time and just play with them, re-clip them, take them out, readjust your braids, or just get it to where it's going to look like it's coming out of your scalp. I honestly probably fumbled with just the actual clipping in of this wig for a few minutes just to make sure I had it clipped in to what I would like for it to look like once it dries. So you guys see right here, it does look kind of like that invisible part. You know, you can definitely tell it's a wig. You can definitely tell it's not your natural hair. But you guys also have to remember the curls are currently in like that damp state, and as they dry, it's going to be able to give that realistic no leave out look.
Baby, this hair's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I got a new favorite wig.
And this is a great example of what I meant by sometimes you have to unclip them just to kind of reclip to where you want it to lay, and that's totally fine. Now let's get into these curls in its damp state. Yes, let's get into them. You guys, only one product. We got some curl enhancing. We have some Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and some water in these curls, and I put emphasis on the ends.
Y'all, I am in love with this hair. She's not dry yet, but this is the curl definition with the one product I used. Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie to get these curls juicy with some water. And when the hair dries, I normally go in with my Garnier Fruit Tea Serum, and I'll be good to go. Y'all, no leave-out, no spray, no glue, no lace. So convenient. You guys saw how I have a low bun. I did 2 little ankle braids to hook the wig onto. That's what we're looking like. I'm loving this. So guys, I'm gonna come back to you guys when it's a little more dry and show you the finished results. It is a I-part wig. This hair is gorgeous. This is completely dry and I'm in love. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out if you are interested. You should definitely be interested because look at this hair. The only thing I used for these curls was my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And yeah. No leave out, people.
And I just wanted to keep saying no leave out because, come on, you guys, like, it looks good. It looks really good. I know sometimes the wigs with no leave out be looking so wiggy, but honestly, you can even tease this wig a little more and it's going to look more natural than this. So I gave it a 10 out of 10. I'm not going to lie. Give it a 10 out of 10. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful or if you like content like this, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, to come on and take off with me, because we're just going to be popping on this journey, you guys. Let's do it ourselves. Let's learn how to do some quick and easy, simple methods for these installs because they're so convenient. They are so convenient. Let me come show you how, all right? Put me on to some tips that you got. Let's help each other out, all right? So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and these are just going to be some clips of me playing in the hair, just getting a feel for it, foofing it out a little bit, seeing how it's working on my head because it's giving natural hair realness. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and bye beauties.